Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do a different kind of video. We're gonna do a chit chat, get ready with me. I'm gonna be answering some of you guys' assumptions about me, but this is also gonna be like a Jordyn Woods inspired makeup tutorial. I have a few other videos that I need to film today, so I figured why not get ready with me and film these videos. I wanted to do my makeup like Jordyn because her makeup was so freaking cute on the Red Table Talk. So if you guys haven't seen that and you don't know what I'm talking about, then just Google it. So I may not show all of the products, but all of the products that I use today will be linked below in case you guys want to recreate this look or anything like that. So before we jump to the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Oh, that's a mouthful. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this video. But looking at her makeup, she had like a really simple, natural, everyday type of beat. I'm gonna do like a simple brow look. I've been obsessed with this LA Colors one, so that's what I'm gonna use today. Like I said, a list of all the products will be linked below. I'm gonna do my brows first and then we're gonna chat. So brows are done. Let me know if you guys want like a natural, everyday type of brow, a quick brow routine. I asked you guys on the community tab a while back for some assumptions about me, and I got a few, so I'm gonna answer those. And then I asked you guys, because since it had been so long, I asked you guys again, and I asked you guys on Instagram. And by the way, I finally got Instagram questions and polls and all those stickers that I did not have. I finally got it after like what, a year and a half. How long have those things? I don't know, but they've been out for a minute. Instagram just be tripping. They really do. But I finally got them. So I got some assumptions on Instagram and I got some on YouTube, so we're gonna answer them today. And I'm gonna be real with you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna be real and answer these assumptions. So let's start with the YouTube ones first. I want to say it's Tasha, Happily Tasha. But it says you stay with your parents to save money for your future. You got into makeup at 16. You wanted to be a singer when you grew up and love your channel. Thank you. Let's see, let's start with the first one. You stay with your parents to save money for your future. I do and I don't. Like, a lot of you guys know that I am like in the process of looking for a job, and I do YouTube right now full time, but I am still like in the process of looking for a job in my major and what I have my degree in. So I'm trying to like be financially stable enough to move out. And plus, a lot of you guys know that my parents have, you know, a lot of issues going on, like my dad with his kidneys and his heart, and then my mom with her foot. So we have a lot of things going on, so I'm just kind of staying here now to help them and to kind of get on my feet. So I guess you can say to save money for my future. And plus, not to, you know, knock on anybody that stayed in an apartment, because I mean the first 10 years of my life I stayed in an apartment, and then when I went out to college I had my own apartment. So I've always said that after I moved home I didn't want to live in an apartment again. And being that my parents have always told me that I can stay here, you know, as long as I need to, as long as I want to, and things like that, I don't necessarily want to move out, and I'm not in a rush to move out and move into an apartment. So I am just trying to save up. I am staying here, you know, helping out and trying to get on my feet pretty much. And I also want to get a house within the near future, like probably like 2020, and I, you know, maybe get a house that's already built or even build my own. I don't know. But and me and Tiosha even talked about getting a house together, because I mean, you know, you guys know neither one of us are married, neither one of us are really seeing anybody, so we're not like, you know, in a rush to get like our own individual houses. So we even thought about getting a house together, which would be perfect. So yeah. that's just some things that we thinking about in the future, maybe like 2020 or 21 or something like that. In the near future, we're actually thinking about getting a house. So yeah, technically I do stay here to build for my future, but I'm also just trying to get on my feet. Okay, so the next question she asked, you got into makeup at the age 16? Honestly, I always liked makeup. I just never was good at it. Like when I was younger, I was not good at makeup at all. Like at all. I was not good at it. And then I tried to do my own makeup for my prom, and it wasn't a complete fail. It wasn't a complete fail, but my friend, she ended up like redoing my makeup because she's like really good at makeup. Like she honestly needs to start her own channel, but she's like into like the FX makeup. Like she's really good at makeup, and she redid my makeup and for my prom. So that was at like what, 18? And so I really didn't get into like trying to like how I am with makeup now. I didn't get into that until I'll say probably about 20, 21, something like that. When I was in college, I was like into it then, and when I started my channel, I just like really got into it. But because people always say, like, even on my senior pictures, people still look at those pictures and say, oh my goodness, your makeup was so pretty. And honestly, like, I've always just had like a simple makeup routine. And when I started getting into like YouTube and stuff like that, is when I started branching out more into like colors and stuff like that. And I remember I had this roommate in college, and she used to wear eyeshadow, and she would always do like colorful stuff, and it would just look, it didn't look bad. It didn't look bad or anything. I just was like, oh my goodness, I don't see how you can wear so much color. Like I never really was into color makeup. So I was always simple, and I'm still like that, still like simple makeup, but I'm trying to like branch off more. So I would say that no, I didn't get into it at 16. I got into it probably, I'd say about 20 or 21. And then, you wanted to be a singer when you grew up? No, I don't think so. Believe it or not, I wanted to be a doctor when I grew up. I always wanted to be a doctor. And then as I got older, I realized, okay, maybe I can't do this. Then I wanted to be a nurse practitioner. So I went to college to be a nurse. Yeah, a lot of you guys probably didn't know this, but when I first went to college, I was a nursing major because I was going to do like nursing and then transition to a nurse practitioner. So like after I kind of, you know, didn't want to be a doctor anymore, I kind of transitioned into wanting to be a nurse practitioner. But then nursing for me was just really hard. Kudos to the people that are nurses, like, but I couldn't do it. It was really hard for me. And I was just like, you playing with people's lives, like, you know, like, this is not for you. It is not for you. So I couldn't do that anymore, and I ended up transitioning to what I have now, which is still in the medical field, but it's more so on the technology side of the medical field. Instead of actually touching people and working with people, it's more on the technology side. So yeah, I did not want to be a singer when I grew up. However, I do like to sing. A lot of you guys probably know that because I do be singing in my videos, not like seriously, but I'm always singing like all the time. Music is just, it just relaxes me. Like I'm always humming or singing or something like that. And I love all types of music, so people probably, if they know me in person, they probably do think that I wanted to be a singer. And I think that I probably could have done good if I wanted to be a singer, but nope, never really wanted to be a singer. I'm a very shy person, believe it or not. I'm very shy, so I did not want to be a singer growing up. Okay, so yeah, and love your channel, so thank you for loving my channel. But for real, thank you for always commenting, because you do comment a lot on my videos, so thank you. Okay, so the next one is from Taiwan Brown. Hey girl. And she said, LOL, I don't know what to say. Let's see. You have a boyfriend or girlfriend, but just don't want to talk about them. You're really down to earth. You low-key like to go out and party. You're a night owl. Okay. So let's see. The first one is you have a boyfriend or girlfriend, but you just don't really talk about them. Okay, so I do not have a boyfriend. I never seeing anybody right now. I mean, I was, but you know, things just happen. You know, life just happens. So, and I'm at a place right now in my life where I really want my Mr. Right. I'm tired of like playing games and just, you know, just having situationships and stuff like that. Like, I want a real relationship and something that's gonna lead to something. So it's kind of where I'm at in my life right now. So I'm not just letting anybody come into my space and anybody just be in my life at this point, because like I said, I want what I want. I want a relationship. So that's that. So no, I don't, it's not that I don't talk about them. I just, there's nobody, no guy there. You're really down to earth. I think I am down to earth most of the time. I think that sometimes I can be a little uptight. I think that I can be a little uptight sometimes. Sometimes I can be, and it's not necessarily because that I just always, I'm one of those people where I like to stick to a schedule. I'm very organized, so I can be uptight when things don't tend to work out. But other than that, I think I'm pretty down to earth, you know? I think so. I think I'm pretty down to earth. I don't know, but I think I am, so yeah. You low-key like to go out and party. I don't know, because it's not that I don't like to go out and party, but it's not that it's not my favorite thing to do. Like, honestly, if I had a boo, I would rather be at home with my boo, you know. But I do feel like maybe I should go out more than what I do, because I don't really go out there often, and when I do go out, I'm just like all over the place. But I wouldn't say that I like to go out a lot, because I don't know how to put it, because I don't dislike going out. Like, if somebody asks me to go out with them somewhere, 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna go. Like, I'm not like gonna be like I don't feel like going, or make up some excuse to not go. Like, that's Tiosha. Tiosha would not go, okay? But me, I think I would go. I don't really tell people no if they do if they do ask to go out and stuff like that. So I guess, I mean, I do kind of low-key like to go out, so I guess, yeah, I don't know. And I'm a night owl. I am not a night owl, child. I will be in the bed. Like, I do be up on Instagram, but when I'm on Instagram at night, I'm in the bed. I get in the bed every night about 11:30 or 12 o'clock. I kid you guys not. I say probably like 12. No later than 12:30, I am in the bed. And once I get in the bed, it does not take me long to go to sleep. So I am not a night owl. So I'll be in the bed, and I've always been like that. Like, my parents, it's funny because my parents always say, like, when I was little, they would have to make Tiosha go to bed, and they would be looking around for me, and I would be in the bed asleep. Like, don't tell anybody good night or nothing like that. I would be in the bed asleep, and I'm still like that. I honestly, like, if I'm watching a movie with Tiosha or something like that, I'm asleep. But I don't really sleep late. So I guess that's why I kind of go to bed early, if that makes sense. So, and I'm back to start getting in a routine of trying to get up earlier. So, yeah. Let me answer these last couple ones on Instagram before I end this video. And spray. Alright. You ate my nerds. That one's from Tiosha. I probably did. I ain't even gonna lie, I probably did, because nerds are my favorite candy, in case you guys didn't know. Only the pink and purple ones, so I don't like the tropical ones. You're stuck up. That's mean. No, I am not stuck up. Well, sometimes people probably think that. I think people probably do think that about me sometimes, but I'm really not. I'm a very nice and genuine person. So if you guys ever see me in person, if some of you guys have seen me in person, don't ever be afraid to come up and talk to me, because I'm not stuck up. I may look stuck up, but I am not stuck up, and I'm not a B. I just have rest and B face, you know. So always come say hey to me, because I'm really nice. I really am. This last one is from my cousin Lauren. She said, you love your cousin Lauren. And I do. I love my baby Lauren. I do. So yeah. those are all of the assumptions about me, and that is how I did this makeup. So like I said, I didn't really show you guys the products in this video, but they will be linked below in case you guys want to recreate this look or anything like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, because I mean, sis, if you stay to the end and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just click the red subscribe button, okay? And then turn on your notifications if you haven't done so already, so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yes, I think that is about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.